Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate you guys a whole lot for subscribing to my YouTube channel, for following me on all of my various social media handles. You guys are the best. If you are new to Stylish Naija YouTube channel, please, I would appreciate if you will hit on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell to get an update whenever I upload a new video. That's just like basically the essence of hitting on the bell. I always like saying that part. Okay guys, let's just get straight to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to shape a dress perfectly for like a pencil gown. You know, some people like beginners, they actually do not know how to make their dress to fit and perfectly. Today I'm going to show you how to do that, and at the end of the day, after watching this video, you are going to be able to shape your dress and it's going to give you your perfect fit. So I'm going to be making use of this dress. So it's a dress that I'm actually sewing, so I'm going to use it to show you. So this is just like a straight dress. It's not a bustier, but if you are doing a bustier, it's still the same process. So we added the dart on the side so you could see it. I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So we're going in shaping a dress. If you want to do it, let it be perfect, you actually shape from the back part. So this is the back, and this dress is actually an off shoulder dress. It's an off shoulder gown. So I'm going to add the lines and then I will shape it out for you in no time. It's just really quick and fast. So this is the neckline. So this part, that's this top part, this is the armhole part. This is the part where I'm going to place my tape. So since it is an off shoulder, we're dropping with 5 inches, and my bust point is actually 10 inches. So this is 10 inches for this dress. That's my bust point. This is 10 inches. So I'll add all the lines. So if you want to shape properly, make sure you include all of your lines back into your dress before you do that. And then my under bust is 13 inches. So this is 13 inches. And then the waistline for this dress is 18 inches. So you see how it is fitting properly on it, on the point. So this is my waistline. That's from my shoulder to the waist. And then from this waistline, I'm going to measure 9 inches. That's the part I'm going to use for the hip line. 9 inches is like standard for hip. And then from this point, I'm going to measure the full length of my dress, which is 41 inches. So we're just going to use this part. The next thing you are going to do in shaping a dress like this, you are going to take your bust measurement. So for this, the bust measurement is actually 38. So our bust measurement is actually 38 inches. So the 38 inches, we are going to place it on top of this part. That's just below the armhole part. That's where we're going to place it. This is our bust line. So we're going to place it above the bust line. So when you divide 32 into 2, you have 19 inches. And when you divide into 4, you have 9.5. So this is 19 inches. This is what we're actually going to be placing. But in order for you to do it, let it fit, you make sure you get the midpoint of 19 inches. And then you're going to take that midpoint, you'll place it here. This is the middle point of 19 inches, and then this is our 19 inches. So you see what we're going to have. So I'm just going to come to this point like this. I'm going to mark 19 inches here like this. And then I'll come to this part also. So I just really want you to see it properly. And then I'll mark 19 inches on this point. So you take it up like this. You just give it mark it like this. And then the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to come to that 19 inches. Just maintain it up to your bust line. So you make sure you double check your measurements. And then the next line we're going to come to is our under bust line. This is our under bust line, and my under bust is actually 30 inches. So when you divide 30 into 2, you have, because you know why into 2 now, because you see our dresses, this is one piece, so this is divided into 2. So that is how you actually measure that. When you divide 30 inches into 2, you have 15 inches. You cannot just come and just place your tape like this. that 15, you are just going to bend your tape in order to make it very accurate. You bend your tape and get the midpoint of your tape. You place it, which is 7.5 normally, and then you place like this. So when you do this, you actually get your measurement. You are going to get it perfectly well, and then you are going to mark this point like this, and then you come to this point also, you mark like this, and then you join the line. So you see the shape, it is coming out. You mark it like this, and then the next measurement is the waistline measurement, and the waistline is actually 34 inches. So when you divide 34 into 2, you have 17 inches. What we did like this, you are going to repeat it here, 17. When you do it, you are going to divide it into 2 and then get the midpoint, and then you're going to place it like this on this point like this. Make sure that your tape is, and then you are going to just bring this line to this point. So once you are doing that, you see the shape, it is taking shape already. So you could see the shape, and then this comes to this point like this. You see the shape. The next line you are going to mark now is the hip line measurement, and the hip that I'm using is actually 40 inches, which is 20. You divide 40 into 2, you have 20. So the middle is 10. So you see it like this. You place it like this. You mark your 20 inches here, and then you mark here. So what you are going to do is just connect this line to this point with a very good curve. You are not going to curve it. If you curve it, your hip is going to push out. Don't curve it, just give it a slant. So you could actually use your pattern curve, or if you have a hip curve, you can actually do that. Just use a curve, and then just do that. This just simple. So you see the shape of the dress, and then from this point, I'm just going to just give it a little slant down like this. And then for the down part, you determine how wide you actually want the down part of your dress to be. So you are just going to for me, for this, what I have here 17 inches, so I'm just going to use about, you can decide to reduce your hip measurement. You can decide to reduce by 2 inches, but this dress I want it to be a very slim down, so I'm going to use about 15 inches for the down part. I'm just going to mark it like this, and then I'll mark like this. So from this point now, you're just going to use your ruler, and then you're going to slope it or slant like this to this point, and then this. So you see, this is our gown. So the next thing you are going to do now, you're just going to take it to your machine, and then you are going to pin it together, and then you stitch. So once you do this, your dress is going to be perfect. It's going to fit perfectly well. Just follow the lines that you have made. So you make sure you pin them together. So you see what we have. You pin them together like this, the front piece and then the back piece, and then you stitch. You just follow this line like this and stitch, and then you follow this other line, you stitch. So at the end of the day, the dress is going to be perfect. So I'm going to do that and then show you the final look of our gown. Okay guys, so you could see, so this is the final look of our gown. So you see the side, you see the shape, it came out beautifully well. So this is the back. So all I need to do now is just for me to insert the zipper at the back and then fix the sleeve. So thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please, I will appreciate if you hit on the like button and then subscribe if you have not done so. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.